my hair done. I wash my face, brush my teeth. I'm about to go eat and maybe some coffee. Then I come back to y'all when I'm done because I want to talk to y'all a little bit. I want to like update y'all some steps, something. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I just finished getting ready. I am gonna, like I say, I'm gonna eat breakfast and make some coffee. But I wanna like talk to y'all real quick, like show y'all something, some like new things, some updates, Yes, I am sitting down on the floor right I am on my knees right now. But I am doing a little spring vlog, a day in my life. I would say let us show y'all everything spring, It's a season. The spring is a new week. Today is Monday. I'm pretty sure it's 12:46 and today is Monday. So yeah. So I am doing a video. I am doing 2 videos today. Which one is I am vlogging right now, and the other one I will be doing another video, which I can't say. I don't know which one I'm gonna go out first. But I just want to say that I wanna like update on my channel. I want to like upgrade and stuff. Like I want to post every Fridays and Sundays every time. Then what I want to do, post every Fridays and Sundays. Like Friday would be like a main video and Sunday would be a vlog. You know what I'm saying? But I want to say, do y'all still want me to do a Sunday shout out? Do y'all still want me to do like support small YouTubers, shout them out, or comment down below, I'll give you a shout out. Like, do y'all still want me to do that? Please let me know in the comments down below. I will really be appreciated because I just don't know. Like, I will do it. I will still like support one other, like support small YouTuber. But the thing about it that I get that most views, but my other videos like my DIY or my video or my vlog don't get views. So like, can y'all be appreciated? Can y'all like watch my videos? I mean, if you like, if I'm boring, I try to upgrade my editing too, like just just. But yeah, that won't do like Fridays and Sundays. I mean, hopefully I can do it. Like edit it and post it. I video. Hopefully I can do it. But yeah, I want something close. So I have made this crop tank top. I made this for my sister's video we did for the Halloween video. We did an idea for each month. I should check that out. This for like a Halloween special edition. But yeah, so this is a content that I made. And my belt, my sister got me this belt from Walmart, and my favorite jeans. I still don't know how I'm gonna have it, but yeah, but right now I probably could do like, I don't know, should I eat first? I'll probably eat first and do all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like what's on my to-do list. Wait, no, I want to show y'all what I got. Okay, hold on. My brother, he got us all something that we all doing like social media stuff. And he got us this. I want to show y'all. First one now. It came with a tripod. I was thinking about buying me a tripod too. I was thinking about buying me, but this is very helpful. See, I got a tripod. I've been using it on my camera, so it's very helpful a lot. And you can do any kind of different stands. But you can't see right now, but you could do this. I've been wanting a tripod for my camera, but finally got it. See? It's not on, but he got some ring light. Look, for your feet right here, you can do TikTok, take pictures, or film a video, or anything. I haven't used it in taking pictures and doing reels on Instagram. Very helpful to. I am going to use this later on for the video for this and stuff. Okay. Nah, wait. Yeah. Come here. Come right here. But yeah, I about to go do that now. No, alright, no, I'm not about to do the intro for the video now, but I'm about to go eat and do that all the stuff. I'll show y'all my to-do list later on because your girl is hungry. I need energy. I'll see you later. I got some flowers. Look at them. Ooh, they're so pretty. Like I said, here's my flowers now. But some didn't need to go, so I'm gonna go and do that now. I probably pretty. I never had a pink one. It's like pink one before, so it's very fun. Why the color? Why about it? Okay. Well, I definitely need some water. The water don't look that bad, as you can see, but I do need more water in this flower. But it's so pretty for now. It's my thing. Okay, guys, so I am back on my camera. I have stopped vlogging for a couple of days because my nephew had came over and we be watching with him. We'll be watching him. Yeah, he's still here and stuff. But I want to clean up. I want to start cleaning up in my closet. You know, like a little spring cleaning. I ain't gonna clean up to my whole room, but I want to start on my closet first. It's a mess. Let me show you. This is my side. Okay. That looks so creepy down there. Okay, but yeah, this is the mess. This is the mess that I need to be cleaning my closet. Before I do anything else. So I'm about to go and do that white. Now it literally just need to be clean. Like my whole room needs to be clean. So I'm about to do that, like little spring cleaning. And probably after this, I want to do my nails. I have said that from the beginning of the video that I want to do my nails. It would be fake nails. It's not gonna be gel or acrylic nails. It's gonna be fake nails because. I want to reorganize my closet because I just want to change. I want to change up in my closet. Alright guys, so I finished in my closet, very clean, nice. I kind of just like reorganize this to. I better go finish up cleaning my room. And I will be finishing up cleaning my room. I will come back to y'all, and I'll come back to y'all when I'm doing my nails. So see y'all later. Okay guys, so I am done finished cleaning up. I am very well. I have it done cleaning up right now, but earlier today was a mess, so like I have things away. But I'm about to do my nails, as I say. I am doing fake nails, so I got like super glue my nails, and I got the. I'll just kind of put it in the nails to see some ideas for the nails for the spring. But I do want to do some of my nails like this. I picked this out. Yep, I don't think y'all can see it. I just put on the screen right here. That I want to do for my nails, and I really think I could do it. I mean, hopefully it come out nice. It's like a little wavy, like, but yeah, I really do hope I could do it. I feel like I can. But yeah, I'm about to go and do that now. Okay, guys. So today I'll show y'all the nails that I wanted to do for my nails. You know, the inspiration on Pinterest. Yeah, that didn't came out right. I'll show y'all the picture on him. But yeah, I'm doing this right now. Can y'all see? Ooh, focus. 2:18 a.m. Oh, this camera is confused. I'll come back to y'all tomorrow and let y'all that I am done with this, because this is done. I like it a lot. This baby springy. This is cute. But yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Okay guys, so I done my nails. I did left hand, right hand. I think I really just had it come out cute, because I did want a spring nails for the spring. So yeah, I think it came out cute. Don't mind the edges, I need to clean it off. But that's pretty much it for the video. That's pretty much it for the vlog. I hope that y'all like it. I do want to stop vlogging more. I do want to do some other stuff more, but you know, step by step, you know. Anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all give this a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, give me some feedback for this video, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.